Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf 2021. I'm going to show you this motorhome in 3 minutes or less, or under 3 minutes I should say. G741 Evidence from Pilote 2022 model. Look at the new logo it's got there. We'll ignore that, that is incorrect in the sign. This thing here cost you around 100,000 euros. It's a integrated motorhome. It's got space for sleeping for 4 people, bed up the front, and at the back we've got a German layout, and you can have the option of additional sleeping space up front. Under the bed we've got 2 enormous wardrobes, which I'll now show you. So there's plenty of space there to carry your stuff in, I would imagine. Depends how much space you want. Separate shower and toilet. You may have noticed that you can also close this area up from the front. In the kitchen we've got 2 burners there, storage, nice background lighting, double floor here, which also can be used for storage, 4 belted positions. Optionally you can make a bed down here as well if you want to, so you can actually get 6 people in here. You wouldn't want to because the payload is only 350 kilos, so if you take an average of, let's say, 60 kilos a person, which is absolutely ridiculous, and that still isn't enough. Having said that, it can be upgraded if necessary. It's got an enormous garage here, and I have done another video on it in more detail if you are interested. The aim of what I'm doing here is to do this under 3 minutes. So nice look to it, 2022 branding, which I think really gives a fresh image to the company as a whole. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this of interest.